1990 to 2000 to get Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary, which is a water security not only for Goa, but Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary is a water security for North Karnataka. Similarly, our people, we fought for 17 years creating data to form an adjoining wildlife sanctuary, which is a Bhimgad Wildlife Sanctuary, which is about 190 square kilometers. This movement was led by General Sardesh Pandey and people from Belgaum. Now, these two wildlife sanctuaries, it is clearly mentioned in the notification of the sanctuary that this is water security for the region. And when we mean region, it is not Karnataka, it is not Goa, it is not Maharashtra. So we are opposing this project for almost last 35 years. And now we feel with the present progress that is happening and the kind of a presentation of false documents which have been created by the government, and the project is coming to a stage where now we require as a people, irrespective of political parties, we want to say it is irrespective of political parties, irrespective of the state, the rainfall, the water flows in the entire region of 3 states will get damaged. It is only because some villages and some talukas in Karnataka want to grow sugarcane. We should not do an irreversible damage to this forest. Where they are demanding that there is a water need, they say they want drinking water. Hubli Dharwad cities have drinking water 24/7. They have declared that they have water till 2041. If they say they really wanted drinking water, then they wouldn't allow 9 sugar factories to operate in Malaprabha Basin where they say they want water. The sugarcane plantation in last 14 years has doubled. A sugarcane is a water guzzling plant. Now, to avoid legal restrictions, forest permissions, and all this system which is put in to protect the forest is being cheated by saying we want drinking water and get out of all this gambit of the regulations.